Hello, everyone, and welcome to Nana's Easy AI. If you're new here, I'm Nana, and my goal is to make today's technology simple, useful, and completely unintimidating for our generation. Today, we are talking about Bluetooth, that invisible connection that lets your phone send music to your car, talk to your hearing aids, or connect to wireless headphones without any cords. But before we dive into how to set it up, have you ever wondered why on earth it's called Bluetooth? Back in the late 1990s, tech engineers from Intel, Ericsson, and Nokia were trying to create a single, short-range radio signal to connect all devices. An engineer named Jim Kardach suggested a temporary code name based on King Harald Bluetooth Gormson, a 10th century Viking king who famous for uniting Scandinavia. The engineers built technology to unite computers and phones, and the name stuck. King Harold's name was Harold, and Bluetooth was his nickname. That's where the name Bluetooth comes from. And here's the really cool part. The Bluetooth logo combines two ancient Viking runes representing the letters H and B, Harold Bluetooth's initials. So every time you see the Bluetooth symbol, you're actually seeing a little piece of Viking history. Just like King Harold brought people together, Bluetooth brings your gadgets together. To start, your new device needs to let your phone know it's ready. We call this pairing mode. Press and hold the power button on your headphones, speaker, or hearing aids for about 3 to 5 seconds. Look for a blinking blue or red light. That blink means your device is actively searching for your phone. On an iPhone, tap your Settings Gear app, select Bluetooth, and make sure the toggle switch is flipped to on green. On a Samsung or Android, tap Settings, tap Connections, select Bluetooth, and switch it on. Look down at the list under Other Devices or Available Devices. You'll see the name of your speaker or headphones pop up. 1. Tap the name of your device. 2. If a screen pops up asking, "Pair with this device," just tap Pair. 3. Once the text next to it changes to Connected, you are ready to go. A couple of quick Nana tips if your device isn't connecting. Keep them close. Put your headphones right next to your phone during setup. The quick reset. If it freezes up, turn your phone's Bluetooth off, wait 5 seconds, and turn it back on. Check other devices. Make sure your headphones aren't already connected to your iPad or laptop in the other room. Now you can listen to your favorite podcasts, audiobooks, or phone calls completely hands-free. If you enjoyed learning a little history alongside your tech tips today, please hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment letting me know what device you connected, and subscribe to Nana's Easy AI. Thank you for watching, God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.
Learning AI can be easy.